Uh, Another day posting on YouTube. Oh yeah, I'm posting. Yeah, I forgot. So today I'll make a car in this game. So as you can see my car. Look at this, guys. Look at this. You can see this is beautiful. So I'll make a new car. So let me go to the garage and then to see this car. No. Okay, well, which car today can I make? Because I do not know which car will I make. So I think I will do this one for today. Nah, let me try this one. Nah, which one can I try, guys? Ooh, I'm trying a BMW, guys. BMW and car upgrade. So I'm going to upgrade the car. As you can see, this is how it looks now. So let me try this before I get started with that. Wanna see if the car okay. I want to see which one is beautiful for the car. So I'm trying this one. So here is for the front. Try something. Which one will be good? Now I'm thinking this one will be good. So which side ooh, good. Nah, okay, perfect. This one I think fine. Okay, now I'm putting this one on. So I'm pressing tick, then see this which one, the line. So I'm putting this one for the exhaust. I'm putting this one, and now of course I'm putting this one. Yes sir, going well now. Yes sir. Okay, and now as you can see the body is looking great. Okay, I don't need flags. Light, let me see the light. Nah. Okay, I'm putting this light on. Okay, and now I can try wheels. Nope. Okay, let me try. Nope. Okay, I'll try this ones. And then now I want to change the color. Guys. Color. Now I want to change the rims. So yep, the rims are perfect. The window, I want to see the window, so I want to make it beautiful, as you can see. So I think the windows must be like this. I think they are perfect. And the headlights. Well, I think they must be red. And the smoke is fine. So I'll go back to the car. What is this? The car. So the car. Okay, let me continue. Which color do I want the car? Right, I'm thinking red. Now I'm thinking red. But it's the color that I placed before. Yep, it's fine. So now I want write something, so I'll write sorry man. Okay. Sorry man. So I wanted to be nah talk. Nah. Nah. Ooh. Yep, I'm using this. So let me see my car. Ooh. Ooh, nah guys. Rate this out of 10. So I'm trying the engine. No other. So I'm fast. Greypox. I don't know the name. New exhaust. I'm buying that. So this. And now I just buy 2 things. Okay, now I can set, and now I can go to gears. Now this is fine, but let me do this. Yep, perfect. Then done. Then I can do spring, so I want the car to just go down here. Just go down here and here like this, and then save. And then look at this car. I am going to test it, so let's just add to favorite to my cars. So to all of my cars, this is my last car. Oh, this is my other cars. So here I put in a South African flag because I think this car was made in South Africa. I don't know guys, I'm just thinking. And this one too. So let me show you this one. Oh nah, this one great. Now no, I'm not gonna use this car. Yeah, I'm using my last car. Yep. And now let me start, and now press single player, home, and then fourth home, and then I can start. And then it's still loading my world, so I can get started. Singing to the beat. Singing to the beat. Wait, there's no beat in here. What am I saying? Okay. Yeah. Get out. And I can show you this house. How does it look? So this is just a hotel. So let me get out. It's just a hotel. So you see, it's so big. It's just a hotel. Let me show it to you. It's just a hotel, not a house. It's just a hotel, not a house. So as you can see guys, see my car. Yes sir, 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 yes sir. And now I have to test this car. So I can go at the back, I can go at the front. So I go at the front, and yeah, I can do what I always do. Ooh, this BMW. Ooh, this car. Happy. And now I want to just look at this, my bro. Oh my god, oh my god. A car is not going. Bye. Oh my god! Oh my god! I bumped into something. Okay, now I can just go back. Go back. Where like where will I go? So I'm thinking to go to the gas station. So I'm choosing now I'm choosing this gas station here. So locate. Okay, now I have to go through this. Right. What is wrong with my car now? Oh my god, why can't I pass this? Is this car broken? Yes, I passed it. Go inside. Quickly. Let me go inside. Bro, I don't care what you're saying. Okay, follow this thing so that I can go to the gas station. So yeah. Oh my god, I literally passed the place. R. Don't hit any cars, because don't hit any car. Don't hit any car here. Oh my god. Why am I so bad at driving? Why am I so bad at driving? Okay. I think I have two different ways to go, so I can go like this way, go down here. So I'm literally breaking the law. Okay, then I can turn this way. Oh, I reached the gas station. Oh my god, why does this car go so fast? Okay, go. Okay. Okay, and just I'm refueling. So waiting. Bruh, yes. Tank is full. So I can go this way. This car is making too much noise. Okay. Now I can get out and lock my car, and I'm going in the shop now. Oh, I can't get in. Okay, getting through the doors. There's no one working here. Oh, so that means I can rob the store and get out, having everything in here. Just kidding. I'm not gonna steal. So I'm going back to my car. As you can see, electricity. So I will not touch this because I don't want to be electrified, because yeah, I'm too beautiful. If I messed up my face, nah. Oh, auntie. Okay, guys, that is the end of the video. So bye, and don't forget to like and subscribe.